Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video, we're going to be using this Operation Right Home sketch. You can pause here and get the measurements. If this is your first time joining me, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you are alerted whenever I upload new content. All right, you guys, come on, cut your papers and come join me at the table. All right, so we're going to continue on with this Echo Park Celebrate Christmas collection. I don't know what year this came out, but it was in my stash and I had a lot of Christmas papers. And I thought, you know what, let's go with this one. I like the craft. So my bases for this series is actually going to be all cream colored instead of using the normal whites. Now, if you're using paper that's not very heavy, you can always add papers in the inside to add weight so that way it's not top heavy. Okay, so we're going to start by putting this all together. Now, this time I am using a mat, but I want to use also the Love from Lizzie peel offs. So I'm going to attach everything first, and then after I put my peel offs on, we'll attach it to the mat. Okay, so I'm just lining this up so that way you can see the gold all around the three sides on the top. And then we're going to take the back side of this uh, snowflake paper and use it on the bottom half. And then I cut a very thin strip of the, it's not the poinsettia paper, is it? I can't remember. This one has the snowflakes on the back. And I want to say, if it's not the poinsettia paper, it's one with the, like, it's ivy and cherries. But I want to say it's the poinsettia. I should probably just grab the card. Yeah, it's the poinsettia paper. Okay, so where we put that down, we're going to put the peel offs from Love from Lizzie. Okay, and by the time you guys seen this, I think the free shipping weekend that she had is probably going to be over, but definitely you guys check her out. I love these peel offs and they last a really long time, but they're definitely a good investment. So where the thin strip and the bottom paper connect, I decided to put the peel off. You could have put a peel off on the top part too, but I knew, well, on one side there was going to be the circle, and then I didn't think it needed it on the top, but if you wanted to, you could definitely do that. Um, that's one of the best things about the peel offs is they do give you a lot of different options as far, especially when it comes to your cards. So I'm thinking, I was trying to figure out, should I use black, should I not for my base? I think I already attached the card, and then I was thinking, do I want to pop it up, not pop it up, like, I was looking at all that, and then I realized, let me just hit the sides real quick with the little sanding block that I got, so that, because like sometimes depending on the papers you get little fuzzies, and sometimes it doesn't matter if it's there or not, but this time I wanted it nice and clean. So I'm using the tape runner and the wet glue. For those of you who have never seen my videos, I use both because sometimes you need that second to be able to pull up your project, uh, so that way you don't ruin the paper and the stuff that you're using, because sometimes they go crooked, so you got to get it straightened out. So for the sentiment, I had already put 4 square foams to give it a little bit of lift, and we're going to go ahead and attach that over on the right. Now in the sketch itself, I think the size is like 2.5 for the circle. I don't have a 2.5 punch, which is what I was using because they're easier sometimes when I'm doing my videos. So I just used one I had that was 2.25. I'm like, it's a quarter of an inch difference. I'm not gonna like cry over it. And my Merry and Brights with the little ivy symbol up at the top works perfect. And then instead of doing Nuvo drops, I wanted to show you, these are the Pink Fresh. Yeah, I think they're the Pink Fresh. Yes, Pink Fresh gems. They recently, I want to say it was probably like September, October, somewhere in there, they had released the gold and the silver, which are just perfect for Christmas, really and truly. And then I did one of the cards using the black Nuvo drops, just in case if you don't have gems, to show you that you can do them either way. So you can either use the gold gems. They have 3 different sizes. I just picked all 3 the same size. And then I used the black Nuvo. So either way, I think it adds a little bit of pizzazz, and it definitely helps the, finish out the card. Now, I was motioning there to make sure that you give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you guys have any questions or comments. I try to read them all and respond to you guys. It's really fun, and I love this series, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. And I will see you guys with the next video, and I hope you have a great weekend.